a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to a Texan Shaves. It's a fantastic month. I was accepted to the Clown Fruit College of Chaos. I've got my college sweatshirt on. Man, look, here's my acceptance letter. Check that out. It's just crazy. I couldn't believe it. 55 years old and I'm going back to college. What's up with that, right? So, to celebrate, I wanted to do a shave to represent, actually, it was funny, and I've got the syllabus here. I'm going to read it to you, but the first class for freshmen is ESP 101, so I decided what better thing to shave with than ESP from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Look at that amazing hollow on there. I've got the Splash, I've got the EDP, I do have the Star Jelly. For the hardware, we're going to be using the Snickle Synth, easily my favorite PAA brush. The Moon Striker, sorry, with the Snickle Synth knot. Free the Snickle Synth. I can't say that fast. And I'm using my new copper, rose gold plated copper Ascension Select Twist. Love this razor. Let's get going. So, yeah, man, it's crazy. So the scent notes on this is white sage, palo santo, patchouli, English lavender, coriander, ginger, arborwood, benzoin, labdanum, and a kiss of oak moss. So, I didn't even know I'd applied to this, but yeah, here we are. So I thought, yeah, I'll check it out. After reading the syllabus, I'm going to go down all the craziness that's going to be happening, but let's get this shave going. And, ooh, are you hypnotized yet? It's absolutely one of my favorites. So we're in the summer. It's stuff like Old Salty and Garden of Bali. As soon as we get to that September, October, I am ready to put all those away in ESP the rest of the time. It's my ultimate favorite fragrance. Love it. It blew me away when I picked it up last year. So let's load up. Don't need a whole lot. That's more than I need, as always. So, reading from the syllabus here, from the Department of Metaphysical Grooming Sciences, course title ESP 101, Introduction to Extrasensory Phenomena. Semester is the fall term in the year of the cube. I didn't know that was such a thing. Location is room 369, the South Wing, or wherever reality folds most conveniently. Okay. Course description: an introductory exploration into the unseen forces guiding lather, razor, and reality itself. Students will learn to detect vibrational frequencies emitted by artisan shave soaps, communicate telepathically with their brushes, you got that? I guess I need more study. And harness menthol to pierce the veil between dimensions. Okay. No prerequisites required, though mild insanity is encouraged. I've got that. More than mild, probably. Learning objectives. By the end of this course, students will be able to identify and measure their personal lather field resonance, or LFR. Okay. Demonstrate telelather transmissions with at least one remote participant. Oh, I guess I gotta find a class partner. Channel aftershave energy waves for minor emotional healing or comic effect. Okay, I'm down with that. Distinguish between legitimate psychic impressions and caffeine jitters. That's going to be a tough one. I take in a lot of caffeine. Explain the metaphysical significance of the cube in contemporary shave cosmology. That's deep. That's deep. All right. Let's get the glasses off and the face wet. Let's get this shave going. Man, I didn't even... Craziness. Crazy. I didn't even know there was such a place. The College of Chaos? Yeah, College of Chaos. Where is that located? I don't know. All right. Oh, man, this smells so good. Oh, I can never get enough of this one. This is one of the fragrances that I'll spray on before bed sometimes. It is just so soothing for me and calming, and I love going all day with it. I have this one in my Vincent in my truck. In fact, I need to switch it out to this one now. So good. And I am getting everywhere. What else is new, right? Beautiful lather. All right. Man, this is crazy. I can't get over this syllabus. All right, I need to pull these sleeves up. So, weekly outline. Really? I'm having to look down because I don't have my glasses on. Week 1, orientation to the unknown. Welcome to the College of Chaos. There'll be a safety briefing, what to do when your alum block starts whispering. I guess I'm not attuned. I don't know. Nothing. Where was I? Lab exercise, mapping your shaved-in's aura using menthol vapors. There have been plenty of those in this den. Let's get this razor warm. Start to shave. All right, so that's week 1. Now, is this like a secret college? Should I not be talking about it? Is like a secret society type university? I don't know. Anyone else out there been accepted? Week 2, lather as a medium. The spiritual chemistry of water and soap. Okay, that makes sense. Sounds interesting. The third eye of the synthetic brush. All right. And then there's an experiment predicting lather peaks through intuition alone. Okay. Wonder what that means exactly. Very interesting. Huh. Oh man, it smells so good. When do we get to the class on fragrances? That's what I'm all about. Oh, so good. Razor, if you do not have one of the Ascension Select twists, it is slightly adjustable. It's a twist adjust. You just twist the handle to loosen it a little bit, and it's the spring load of the blade. It helps make the adjustment. Me personally, I never adjust it. I just use it snug all the way. But that's just me. Oh, God. Oh, I love this fragrance. What was that, week 2? Week 3 is psychokinetic razor guidance. Case studies in blade levitation and unconscious pressure control. Discussion of, does the razor choose the shaver? Okay. Then there's homework, meditate on your DE handle until it hums. Okay, strange. What was that? Week 3? Interesting. Okay, man. CK6 for the win. Week 4. I know a little something about this one. All right, the cube principle. All right, what is it? Guest lecturer Douglas Smythe? Possibly via astral projection. Who's that guy? Demonstration activating multi-dimensional slickness. And there's a group chant of in chaos, clarity. Is that anything like, what was the one from Seinfeld? Serenity Now. Yeah, I think it's like that, right? All right. Well, what does that have to do with the cube? In chaos, I don't know, maybe. All right. This is so awesome. Fantastic. So, week 5. Paranormal splash studies. The physics of sting and scent memory. Okay, that's interesting. There's an experiment, a remote splash empathy test. Your partner at least 10 feet apart. Okay. And then there's a film to view. Menthol Man and the Dimensional Barrier. How come you didn't tell me you made a movie? All right. All right, that was week 5. Jeez. So good. Okay. Almost there, guys. Week 6. Advanced mentholics, is that a word? And cryoconduction. Understanding cryo thresholds in sensory expansion. I've experienced that. Discussion when cold becomes enlightenment. Not sure if that's ever happened, but maybe. Honestly, I think when cold becomes stupidity sometimes. And there's a field trip to observe the Blizzard Battles archives. There's an archives? Is this, what's going on here? Is this like in the future? Hold on, dimensional thresholds. Okay, never mind. Week 7, the Cult of Cube Symposium. Aha! I knew there was a Cult of Cube. There's a panel debate. Is clown fruit a talisman or a test? And then there's the final ritual rehearsal. Interesting. All right. You know what? Let me get a rinse, come back up for the splash. We'll go through the last couple of the syllabus and my final thoughts. Be right back. What is that? All right. Oh, got my beard all curly. Anyway, get myself organized here. All right. So that was week 7. Week 8, final examination. It's a written test. Answers may appear in dreams. It has in parentheses, really. Practical exam, summon and perfect lather blindfolded. I think I might be able to do that. And then a graduation ceremony and post-shave refreshments. What the heck is a post-shave refreshment? Required materials. 1 well-used brush, synthetic or spiritually awakened badger. I'm scared to have a spiritually awakened badger. A PAA soap of questionable origin. That I have in abundance. PAA cube, any variant, though glowing versions preferred. Covered. Notebook, razor, and towel of cleansing. Got my barber towel of cleansing there. That's it. That's it for the syllabus, guys. In for an interesting semester, I think. Wow. Wonderful. All right. Okay, let's get the goodness where the magic happens. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I cannot get enough of this. I would shave with this for a month straight if I could. And I could, but you know what I mean. Oh, so good. Oh, man. I don't know. I'd have to consult the PA database. I'm not sure how long this one's been out. I know it came back last year and it's coming back. It is coming back this year. So I just kind of broke the silence. ESP will be out this weekend, guys. Don't know exactly what day, but be prepared. And I do believe there is going to be a cube. That's what I'm most excited for. I have everything else. I have bought pretty much anything you can get with ESP in it, except for I don't have a cube. I'm looking forward to that. I'll keep you posted on how classes go and what the College of Chaos is like, as long as I'm not under some sort of non-disclosure agreement not to talk about it. Hopefully I didn't already break that, because I don't want to get booted out already. But maybe there'll be more of this in the future. So, all right, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.